In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete a custom domain linked with your Shopify store. Suppose you are planning to move your store to another service provider, or you wanted to shift your domain with another one. So this method will help you to remove your existing custom domain with your Shopify store. So to do that, just scroll down and open the domain section. Here you can see your custom domain is already connected here, which is set as primary. So to delete it, just click on delete domain and choose a domain. You must assign a new domain as your primary domain. So I'm going to select this temporary domain of Shopify and then click on delete domain, and our current domain with sorry and our current domain will automatically deleted from here. Also make sure to delete this redirected domain as well, and click on delete domain, and now your store is shifted back to its temporary domain. And if you preview it, you can see our website is now opening on its temporary domain like before. So in this way you can delete a custom domain from your Shopify store. So make sure to subscribe to this channel and like this video as well. Thank you very much.